Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Ring Neighbors and join the Community Safety Network, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started quickly and securely. Step 1. Download the Ring app from your device's App Store. The Ring app is available for both iOS and Android devices and serves as your central hub for all Ring services. Step 2. Open the Ring app and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Neighbors from the available options to access the community safety features. Step 3. Tap Join Neighbors to begin your registration. You'll be asked to accept the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Step 4. Enter your home address or allow the app to use your current location. This helps you see relevant safety updates from your local area. Step 5. Customize your notification preferences. Choose which types of alerts you want to receive, such as crime reports, safety announcements, or missing person updates. Step 6. Complete your profile by adding your name and profile picture if desired. This step is optional, but helps build community trust. Step 7. Explore the map view to see recent activity in your neighborhood. You can now post safety concerns, share videos, or respond to community alerts. Step 8. Enable location services for real-time updates specific to your area, ensuring you stay informed about local safety matters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.